So next question number 10. If alpha beta is a point on the parabola y square is equal to 6x, that is close to the point 3 comma 3 by 2. So then find the value of 2 times of alpha plus beta. See, we will take that point alpha comma beta is equal to at square comma 2at, because of it is a parabola, na? So in that parabola 4a is equal to 6, that's why a is equal to 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 t square comma 3t. So we will take this point as P, and another point they have given it is Q is equal to 3 comma 3 by 2. So now we will find out the distance between PQ, and it is PQ square we will take. PQ square is equal to 3 by 2t square minus 3 whole square plus 3t minus 3 by 2 whole square. So now to minimize this distance, so we will take it, this is S. So now f dash is equal to 2 times of 3 by 2 t square minus 3 into 3t plus 2 times of 3t minus 3 by 2 into 3 also. This f dash is equals to 0. So now we do one thing, we will multiply with 2. If you multiply with 2, this is 3t square minus 6, and 3 gets cancelled, so here t will be there, plus, and here also if you multiply with 2, so this is 6t minus 3, and 3 already it is cancelled, it is equal to 0. So now if you multiplying with t here, so this is 3t cube, and here minus 60 plus t plus 60 gets cancelled, so minus 3 is equal to 0. So that implies t is equal to 1, we will have a real root of this equation. So therefore, what is the point P here we have taken? The point P we have taken, it is 3 by 2 t square comma 3t. Now I will substitute in place of t as 1. So this is 3 by 2 comma 3. So this is alpha we got. So now 2 times of alpha plus beta, alpha beta we got it, na? This is the point alpha comma beta. So 2 times of alpha plus beta is equal to, so this is 2 into 9 by 2 is equal to 9. So your answer is option 2. Next, question number 10. Question number 11. Question number 11. 2 circles passes through the point minus 1 comma 4. Their centers lies on x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y is equal to 4. That is not R here. If R1 and R2 are maximum and minimum values of the circle, and R1 upon R2 is equal to a plus b into root 2, then the value of a plus b is, see here, given circle is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0 or is equal to 4. This equation we can write x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. So now we will take it one point on this circle. So what is the point on the circle here? One point in the circle is 3 cos theta minus 1 comma 3 sin theta minus 2. So let it be P. 2 circles passing through a point and their centers lies on. So here center lies on, that's why we have taken this point as center of the circle. This is center of the circle. Now the circle passing through the point they have given it is minus 1 comma 4. So we will take it that point as minus 1 comma 4. So now from the center to any point on the circumference, it is minus 1 comma 4, PQ is equal to radius of the circle. So what it will come, it is under root 3 cos theta minus 1 minus of minus plus 1. So 3 cos theta whole square, 3 sin theta minus 2 minus 4. So that is 3 sin theta minus 6 whole square will come. So if we simplify this, this is under root 9 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta, that is 9. plus 36 also will come, minus 2 3 6 6 is 36 sin theta. So it is under root 45 minus 36 sin theta. So now R maximum is equal to, when sin theta will be minus 1, so you will get R maximum, so that is under root 81 is equal to 9. So we will take this is R1, and R minimum is equal to, so this is under root when sin theta will be maximum, sin theta is equal to 1. So 45 minus 36, it is 9, is equal to 3. So we will take it, this is R2. Now R1 upon R2 is equal to 9 by 3, it comes as 3. This 3 can be written as 3 plus 0 into root 2. So that's why A is 3 and B is 0. So now they are asking that A plus B is 3. So your answer is 3 here. This is question number 11.